To all of us, I am going to discuss indigenous peoples in Visayas. Here are the objectives determine the different regions and provinces in Visayas. Second, identify the indigenous people in each provinces. And lastly, recognizing the traditions, beliefs, practices, and language of IPs in the province. Ito ang picture ng Visayas where is Western Visayas, Central, and Eastern Visayas. Visayas is located in the central part of the country and is composed of several islands including Cebu, Bohol, Negros, and Leyte. Kilala din dito sa maganda nitong beaches, vibrant festival, and rich cultural heritage. And there are 16 provinces of Visayas, which include Aklan, Antique, Biliran, Bohol, Capiz, Cebu, Eastern Samar, Guimaras, Iloilo, Leyte, Negros Occidental, Negros Oriental, Northern Samar, Samar, Siquijor, and Southern Leyte. Sa Aklan has a rich cultural heritage that is influenced by each indigenous Aklanon people, including traditions and practices. Some traditions in Aklan include ibang mga Aklanon, yung mga indigenous people sa Aklan. People are the native inhabitants of Aklan province. They have their own inhabitants of Aklan province. They have their own distinct culture, language, and traditions. Ang kanilang culture ng mga Aklan ay isa din ito sa mga kanilang ginagawa or hobby, pinya weavers. Pinya weavers is also known as the top producers of pinya fabric in the Philippines. This year, delegate cloth that can be used to make Balang Tagalog. Ito naman yung sinusuot natin Balang Tagalog. Sikat ito. The country national costumes is a product of a long, painstaking, and intricate process of weaving fiber and pineapple rings. Tradition naman ng Aklanon, naniniwala sila sa mga Christianity naman, devotion to the Santo Niño or Child of Jesus. Aklanons also practice processions during religious holidays such as Salubong. Most Aklanos engage in agricultural, while those in coastal areas engage in fishing. They also make handicrafts. Yung pinabubuhay nila ay mga sa iba namang part ng Aklan is yung kanilang pinabubuhay sa agriculture, while sa ano naman is fishing. Sa Aklan Festival, ito yung mga festivals nila which is itong pinakasikat at atihan held annually in January in honor of the Santo Niño or Holy Child or Infant Jesus, is several known of Kalibo. The festival features street dance, colorful costumes, and music. Ang Aklanon clothing na itinatawag this year delegate cloth type na make Balang Tagalog, yung clothing ng mga Aklanon people or indigenous people. Painstaking and intricate process of weaving fiber from pine clothings. And let's proceed naman sa Antique. Antique is valued for its historical significance, rarity, beauty, or craftsmanship, including furniture, artwork, jewelry, clothing, and other items from the past that are considered valuable and collectible. Antiquarians festivals or Antiquarians yung mga tao doon. One of the famous traditions Antique is the celebration of their festivals. Antique celebrates province-wide annual fiesta called Binirayan Festival. Binirayan means where they sail to or remembrance of 10 Northern brothers who settled in such place in the early 15th century. Sa clothing naman, may costumes nila. Sa women, gumagamit sila ng patadyong. Patadyong means customary used by women as skirts, paired with their blouse, and sometimes as cover-ups. So, let's proceed to Biliran. Biliran, the island's rich culture, history, and traditions. in a mountainous area of Panay in the Visayan Islands. Ito naman ang kanilang ceremonies and rituals, the Panimo. Ang Panimo na ito, Panimo ceremony is performed before eating newly harvested rice or peace distributes. Yung pinag-perform nila Panimo, before nila kainin or yung na-harvest nila like rice. And dapat pangasi or rice wine is prepared for the Panimo. Like sa mga Igbo at like sa rice wine na hinihahanda nila sa mga like sa activities or festivals na kanilang gagawin or sa kapis ng mga Ortomandong indigenous peoples is pangasi na tinatawag. Iba naman ang kanilang dance or tinatawag na Ilalog dance. Depicting the movement of hope is performed during important occasions. Sinasayaw lang nila ito sa important occasion. And let's see kapis na ay Cebu. Cebu, may mga Cebuano mga indigenous people doon. And then, the Cebuano people, Cebuano mga Cebuano or constituent about 1/5 of the population of the Philippines and are the second largest ethno-linguistic group in the country. Ang kanilang tradisyon ng mga Cebuano, nagsasalamin sila ng ang kanilang mga lingwahe ay tinatawag na Cebuano, closely related to the language of the Hiligaynon, Ilonggo, and Bahay-Bahay. Parang mayroon din kaparehas or sa pinaaral nila sa Hiligaynon or Ilonggo, gano'n. And sa belief naman and practices nila, Cebuanos have adopted and practiced some traditional beliefs like the wearing of clothes with polka dots, preparing junk foods with New Year's Eve, serving noodles for education as a symbol of love, and so on. Sa panganganak naman, after ng panganak, yung last na parang kasama-sama ng baby ng placenta, sa kanilang paniniwala is, kung ginagawa nila is, parang they worry at the seahorse to ensure the baby is good health, para maganda daw yung health ng baby paglaki. It a sign of good luck when the first born is a boy. Naniniwala din sila pag ang unang anak is lalaki. Parang isa-sign sa kanila ng good luck. Sa mga patay naman, Cebuanos believe that people shouldn't sweep the floor when family members dies for it might cause death of other family members. Diba naniniwala sila sa mga kasabihan or yung bawal sila, pag may namatay silang mga mag-anak or sa family nila, bawal silang magwalis. Kasi may mamamatay daw sa kanilang family ulit. Let's proceed to Eastern Samar, Leyte, Samar and Southern Leyte. Ang mga indigenous people ng called Waray. The most foreign means land or nothing for that. The Waray originated from Eastern Visayas region of Philippines of the modern day provinces Leyte, Samar, and Lilian. Sa mga tradition nila practices, sumasayaw sila na sa dances nila, tinatawag ng puransa. Sa popular tradition dance, often performed at weddings and social gatherings, it is a courtship dance, symbolizing the goodness of a rooster and hen, reflecting the importance of these animals in their colonial society. So, puransa naman ang ginagawa nila sa mga courtship or wedding, para sinisimbolize nila ang movement of a rooster and hen, yung babae at saka lalaki. Sa language naman, Waray is speak the Waray, a major Visayan language. Waray din ang tawag ng kanilang lingwahe. And let's proceed to Himaras and then Negros Occidental. Ang mga IPC people doon ay tinatawag ng Hiligaynon. The term Hiligaynon is said to be an sungkawayan, bamboo floaters, meaning people whose occupation was to build bamboo floats down river to sell as building material. Sa language naman nila, yung ginagamit na salita ng mga hiligay noon, the Hiligaynon language is the language of Iloilo province that has come to be spoken throughout the Western Visayas region. Let's proceed to Iloilo. Panay bukid doon yung mga indigenous people doon. The panay bukid doon also known as the Sunod or indigenous group residing in the mountainous regions of Panay and Visayas. This response to explore the tradition of Panay bukid doon focusing on the textile and ethnic tradition, the religious belief, system, and practice of Binokod. Binokod is a kanyang tradition. This tradition involves seclusion of a young person, usually a young woman from the public eye. Binokod is raised in isolation, sheltered from the sun and contact with men until puberty. Ang kanyang tradition is called Binokod. And sa language naman nila, they speak the Ligbok language. Yung mga panay bukid doon ang kanilang language is Ligbok language. Ginagamit nila ito. A member of the West Visayan subdivision of the Visayan languages within the Australasian language family. Ito naman ang kanilang mga cultural activities sa panay bukid doon. Ng mga panay bukid doon or mga activities. Being cultural community, the panay bukid doon had influence sa place into the cultures such as Council of Elders or tinatawag na Binanong dance, rituals in farming, house construction, circumcision, dagaan, luy-aluya, and batakbuhan, bayanihan, babaylan, and love of nature, whether those cultures include Binokod. And let's proceed to number Negros Occidental, which is mga items studies Ati Negritos. The Ati are a Negrito ethnic group and indigenous peoples in the Visayan Islands of the Philippines, categorized as Negritos or Nilawi. Ito naman ang cultural and tradition and practices. This include herbal medicine. Naniniwala sila sa the Ati people have a deep understanding of the medicinal properties, plants, and herbs. They use their resources to treat various ailments and maintain their health. Naniniwala sila sa mga yung nangyayari sa environment like plant or mga herbs. Ginagamit nila ito para sa paggamot sa kanilang mga sakit or dalag. And sa rituals naman for death, the Ati people hold rituals for death known as DD, which involve dancing and singing to honor their ancestors and ensure their peaceful passage to the afterlife. DDP is sumasayaw sila para to-honor their ancestors pag may namatay sa kanila. And hunting and gathering. Ang kanilang kinabubuhay is sa hunting and gathering. Traditionally, the Ati people were skilled hunters and gatherers, relying on the natural resources of their environment for sustenance. Ang kanilang kinabubuhay or saan ang galing ang kanilang mga kinakain is yung true hunters, yung mga animal sa environment. And sa religion, naniniwala sila sa may practice nila which is called the Ati practice a form of animism that involves good or and evil spirits include river sea may mga ayaw ko, naniniwala sila para pag sa ano naman, kasi sa sa ibang mga ano, naniniwala sila sa mga pag hindi kailangan na, for example, sa mga libro, naniniwala sila sa mga, well, ang babae buntis, tas meron siyang gusto kang kainin, tas hindi niya nakake, parang hindi magiging healthy yung baby or mawawala sa as sa marriage rituals naman nila, Mamano weddings are traditionally celebrated during summer months of March to May. Wow, talagang March na init. Sa kanila, sa marriage rituals ng mga Mamano, sila celebrate nila ito during summer March to May. Sa healing rituals naman nila, healing rituals are performed by babaylan, shambhala, or some shaman who has insight in those who are specialists in using herbal medicine to treat illness and those who are skilled in conducting rituals, ceremonies. Naniniwala sila sa mga sa kanilang healing rituals. Gumagamit sila ng mga rituals na pinaperform ng mga pinatawag nilang babaylan or tambahon. And that's the end. Then last is City Hall or the City Hall province. And I think people is called City Jutnon or City Jutnon, a native of a resident of City Hall in the Philippines. Sa language naman nila, the primary language is spoken in City Hall or Cebuano, which is common in the rural Central Visayas region. Ang kanilang language is called they spoken in City Hall. Other festivals and traditions of City Hall, City Hall. City Hall is home to various festivals and traditions that reflect the City Hall people's cultural heritage. This include the Dilaak Festival, celebrating the island's history of Isla de Fuego or Island of Fire, and the Saging Festival showcasing the importance of the nanas in their lives. Sa spiritual beliefs naman nila, the City Hall people are known for their strong spiritual beliefs, which are mix of ancestral traditions and Catholicism. This unique blend is evident in their practices including tradition, healing, rituals, herbal medicine, and the annual healing festival held every Black Saturday. And dyan naman nagtatapos ang aking presentation, and thank you